Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class of English. Students, I'm going to explain you the poem The Rebel of your book Honeycomb. Before explaining the poem, let us know something about a rebel. A rebel is a person who disagrees with others. He or she always has the opinion which is reverse of everyone else. A rebel does not follow the rules of the society and has a different attitude on self-assertion. In this poem, the poet D.J. Enright has listed some contradictory actions of the rebel. The poet has presented the rebel's personality in the poem, who was noticed by people and was criticized too. Dear students, still the rebels always do the things different from others and just the opposite what others do. They're always been noticed, and people used to comment or criticize their activities. The rebel is said to be possessing negative traits which are opposite of being expected. The rebel does not follow the general norms of the society. The poet has called the rebels productive and important for society too. Now you will think that how the rebels are important and productive for society. Because in our everyday's life, day-to-day's life, we are having different kind of feelings in our mind. Like sometimes we are sad, sometimes we are happy. So if always there is seriousness and we are always under the pressure of following the norms of the society, we get bored by that and we get unhappy by that. We are not enjoying the life properly. So when these kind of people are there who always do different kind of things, and sometimes they irritate us also, but sometimes they make us laugh. And in today's era, when everything is so different and the life is so stressed, these kind of people bring a bit relaxation in a person's life. So that's why the poet has called them productive and important for society. Although these kind of people are being criticized, sometimes people don't like their company when they are very seriously doing their work. But on the other hand, when people are free, when people are relaxed, they love to be with them because they speak such kind of thing that people make them laugh. Like nowadays, you love watching comedy serials or comedy programs or shows, although they do some odd things there which don't have any sense, but still we watch them because they make us laugh. Similarly, rebels do the same thing for the society. Let us read the lines of the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebels let his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Let us go through these lines of this poem and let us have the meaning of these lines. As it has been always told, we have already gone through this, that rebels are always doing the things different from others. So here there are some few acts done by the rebels being highlighted by the poet. Like when there is a fashion of keeping a short hair, the rebels are keeping their hair long. Like when Mahendra Singh Dhoni, you know, everybody knows him, and when he has kept a long hair, people used to copy him also, and some of the people were criticizing him also, because at that time everybody was having a short hair. Similarly, again, when everybody is keeping a long hair, when there is a fashion of long hair, the rebels will have short hair. When everybody talks during the lesson, when teacher is asking some questions or there is a discussion going on, when everybody is answering, the rebels are keeping quiet over there in the classroom. But when there is a serious class going on, the rebels are talking and they are disturbing others. When everybody is wearing a uniform, the rebels are wearing different clothes. They are not coming in uniform. Like in your school nowadays, you are not allowed to wear colorful dresses during your birthdays, but there are some students who are still wearing the different clothes, and people are keeping an eye on them and they are criticizing them. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. When you are going for a party or some very different, very special occasion, you are wearing your best dresses, and the rebels will go there in their simplest, the most simple dresses, and they become the talk of the crowd. In the company of the dog lovers, when there is a group where all the people are talking about dog and they love dogs, the rebels are talking about cats, and people don't like their talks. And when everybody is talking about cats, the rebels are talking about dogs. Let us turn the page. Come to the next page, students. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebels regret the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. When everybody says, no thank you, the rebel says, yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. When people are praising the sun, like suppose it's raining for many days and there is no sunlight, we get fed up by that, and we are expecting the that sunlight should be there, a sun should be there in the sky to give us warmth or give us sunlight. The rebels are expecting, no, it should be rain again. And when everybody is expecting the rain, suppose it is very hot and people are expecting that it should rain to give us to make us cool, the rebel is feeling the absence of the sun. When everybody is going for a meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. Like when people are going to have a meeting, the rebels are preferring to be away from that and they are staying at home and they are reading a book. And when everybody is staying at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting when nobody is there. They go there to attend the meeting alone. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody is expecting something and they are happy to have something, the rebels are denying for that. And when everybody is happy, when everybody is denying for something and they are rejecting that, the rebels are expecting to have the same thing. The poet says that it is good that we should have rebels. As I told you earlier, that rebels are expected in a society to bring difference in a society. Like people should be sometimes light mooded due to them, and when rebels make them entertain, and but no one wants to be a rebel, because no one wants to be laughed at and being criticized by others. Dear children, this was the summary of the poem The Rebel. So on various issues, the rebel acts in a contradictory way from others and doing the things just reverse to others. The poet has described the odd behavior of the rebel in a funny and casual manner. According to the poet, a rebel also have the right to express his own choice and to be accepted by the society. We should not be like them, but we should have sympathy on them. We should not reject them. We should be friendly with them. Maybe we are not accepting their things, but we should be having a soft corner for them. Dear students, if you wish, you can write the poem, the entire poem, along with the title and the poet's name in your copy. And after that, let us see, there are some questions given here working with the poem. When you see this video, just follow the answers which I am going to give you after writing the questions from your book or from this video if you don't have the book. Our first question is, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? I repeat the question. If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? The answer is, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, then the teacher would scold him. Then the teacher would scold him or her and probably ask him or her to leave the class. Question number 2. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain the most. I repeat, when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants the rain the most. Third question is, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? The answer is, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, everyone else is likely to have a cat. I repeat, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, everyone else likely to have a cat. Question number 4. Why is it good to have rebels? I repeat, why is it good to have rebels? It is good to have rebels. Students, write the answer. It is good to have rebels because they are different from others and provide a source of mischief and amusement to others. It is good to have rebels because they are different from others and provide a source of mischief, M-I-S-C-H-I-E-F, and amusement, A-M-U-S-E-M-E-N-T, to others. Answer number 5. Question number 5. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? I repeat the question, students. First write the question, then answer. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? Answer is, it is not good to be a rebel oneself because then everyone would laugh at us and we would be scolded and would face hatred, H-A-T-R-E-D, hatred, by everybody whom we are, W-H-O-M, whom we are disagreeing with, D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E-I-N-G, disagreeing, D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E-I-N-G. I repeat the answer. It is not good to be a rebel oneself, because then everyone would laugh at us and we would be scolded and would face hatred by everybody whom we are disagreeing with. Sorry. This is the end of the question answers. The last questions: would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? Students, you have to give your own opinion on that, so try this answer yourself. Now, let us see your home assignment on page number 35. There are some questions here. Question number 2. Find in the poem an antonym, that is a word opposite in meaning, for each of the following words. You have to write the opposite, you have to find out the opposite words of the left hand side's words from the poem, and you have to write them beside each word. The words are long, grow, quietness, sober, lost. I repeat, long, grow, quietness, sober, lost. Students, you have to find out the opposite meaning words of the left hand side words which I have just now said. You have to find it from the poem and you have to write it beside each word. Like number 1, the opposite word for long is short. Now exercise 3. Find in the poem lines that match the following. Read both one after the other. You can do it either in copy or you can mark in book also. The first number is the rebel refuses to cut his hair. You have to find out the lines written which mean the same from the poem. First is the rebel refuses to cut his hair. Number 2, he says cats are better. Number 3, he recommends dogs. Number 4, he is unhappy because there is no sun. Number 5, he is noisy on purpose. Suppose sentence number 4, he is unhappy because there is no sun. The sentence will be, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Here you can see, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. You have to write just below this line. With this, we are coming to the end of this chapter, this poem. Students, kindly go through the poem very well if you have the book. If you don't have the book, I'm showing it again. You can see the lines in the video and read it aloud at home. All the lines you read it aloud with correct pronunciation and with correct intonation. You have already learned all these things in your previous class, how to read a poem with correct pronunciation and the intonation, and read aloud, so that if you make any mistake, your parents could correct you at home only, and when school will reopen, teachers will help you all if you have any doubts. I still tell you that if any student has any kind of queries, any kind of doubts after seeing the videos, clear your doubts. Students, feel free to ask your doubts with the help of Campus Care. We are always there for your help. But during this period, don't neglect your studies. Keep on studying and do some extra things also. Learn new words, learn new sentences, consult some books which are already there at your home, and without wasting the time. Thank you. Have a nice day.